What's up, editors? Welcome back to another video, and this video is going to be about how you can make effects like the footage are zooming out and basically looks like an illusion, but it gives it a spice to your editing, and it basically fits with a lot of music types, so it can be applicable in any sort of promotion video or social media or whatever type of video that you're doing. So let's just see what I mean by that. Let's just give you an example of such an illusionic video sample. Then we're going to proceed doing it from scratch and how you can apply the effects in your Capcut. Sorry about that. So this is one of my projects that I use the effect for it, and basically what I'm about to explain is found in here in this section of the video, and the video is like this. Starting from here, it lasts about 5 seconds. You see most often in TikTok and Instagram, and today I'm going to show you about that. Basically, you need to have footage, either a picture or a video footage. Then you chop it into smaller sections, acceleration that you want the video to go with. So you only need a zoom lens effect. From the effects, you go to lens and you apply the zoom lens effect for specific footage. This effect allows you to zoom out the picture or the video as far as the footage goes on. So as you see here, it's going to zoom out to the entire footage. Right here. So this is how you can apply it. Now let's just make it from scratch, just an example. Either a picture or either a video, it doesn't really matter, but make sure to apply the effect correctly and make sure to sync it with your music real well. So let's just pick some random pictures. Enter them one by one. Let's go up to 6 seconds, and we are gonna slice it into 0.3 seconds. Slice it all the way to the end. Then we're gonna replace every footage. Every copy will be replaced with another new picture. Then we're gonna apply the effect just to make it a little bit spicy. You can also make at the end or at the middle, just to run a little bit faster or a little bit slower. Depending on the music, it varies, but you can make that difference as well. So you just change every clip with another footage. Okay, after all this, you need to come back to each footage and see if they fit to the screen. I got most of my footage fit into my screen. Everything looks fit. So the only thing that's remaining is applying the effects and trying different music. So let's go to the effects and add the zoom lens. Remember, this effect needs to be duplicated in every section, so I just duplicated it here, and I'm just gonna go as far as the video goes on. So let's just see how it looks. It looks pretty decent, but it needs some effects to it. So you're gonna add some effects to make it a little bit better. I might need some black flash maybe, and some swings as well. So if you add some black flash to some of the footage, at the end of some footage, it's gonna give it a taste. That blink is gonna give it a little bit of beauty at the end of some of the clips. Then let's just go and add some audio. Let's just search some house or dance music. Let's just see how this one looks. The music is a little bit too loud, so I just need to minimize the volume and just to see how it looks. The music looks a little bit fast, but why not? Let's just try it out how it looks. That's it. That's the basics of it. So you can just mess around on how you want. You just need to apply the effects properly, and the amount of time the footage, most of the footage must be the same in order to have a smooth flow from one another. The amount of time and the length of each footage needs to be the same, except some of the footage that you want to mix a little bit things up and spice things up. So thank you guys for watching. This is how you're gonna make a zoom lens effect on Capcut and make an illusion type of texture to your videos. So keep liking this video and comment as well and ask your questions, whatever you want, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next one.